So today we are looking at finviz map product. It's a great product. You can select sort of your Standard & Poor's 500, World Index, full map, or exchange traded funds. So it gives you a very good understanding of what's going on. It's divided into particular sectors, and effectively the color and the size of the box denotes how well it has done, as seen through here. So it's very quick to sort of zone in to the companies that have done well and which ones have not done so well. You can then put the performance to be, okay, let's see how much in 1 week. So then you can identify the stocks that may be right for a pullback, or to determine why they haven't worked. The exchange traded funds is what it says. So you can look at the gold miners, look at the relevant commodities, the relevant fixed income, how they're performing. You can you've got your bellwether sort of semiconductors, you've got your technology, you've got your inverse products, and you can sort of zoom in to actually get some sort of idea of what you should be looking at. That the gold miners are doing okay. So this is a great tool to identify areas that you can invest in. So you've got your full index. So this is another snapshot. So you can identify, you can trace, you can go back to sort of 1 day. That gives you an idea. I mean, the world is very interesting. I mean, it doesn't have all ones, but if you keep an eye on it, you can have an idea of if there are any sort of companies that are doing overly well. And I mean, here you've got sort of reasonable South African countries, the miners not doing overly well. Let's have a look at something interesting. Cayman Islands, there's a biotech by the look of it there, and it's got sort of your London market, so you can have a rough idea of what's going on. So let's go back to Microsoft. Microsoft is shown here, but you can actually have other things like your dividend yield. So you may be looking at some particular company which will give you the best dividend yield. Let's go to exchange traded funds and then go to dividend yield, and then exchange traded fund. Oh, there we go. So this doesn't have that, but if we try relative volume, it will give you an idea of where your volume is coming from, so that you can sort of really target particular companies. You can also sort of find a relevant ticker, but there's a lot of information here in a very short amount of time. If you want to, you can actually share this particular view, but I mean, the other thing is that you've got some of these are quite difficult to look at because they're quite small, so you can actually drill in and drill out. A fantastic product to actually look at sort of the short medium and long term to identify sort of some things to be looking at. It's pretty fantastic.